Welcome back. To place the left right arrow directly above a letter or word in Microsoft Word, you can use the built-in equation tool, and this is the cleanest method for maintaining professional formatting. So for this you need to click on the insert, and on the right side you need to click on the equations. An equation editor box will be open up. Now type the \tvec and followed by the space twice. The first space converts \tvc into the arrow, and the second space snaps the arrow on top your next noted. Click inside the box and type your desired text, for example AB. Using a left-right arrow above a character like AE, often used in geometry to denote a line that extended infinitely in both directions. Then select the text, go to the home and remove the italic, and you can change the color as well. Another way is that you need to click on insert, click on the symbol, click on the equation and click on the accent, and here it is the left right arrow box. You need to click on that, click inside the box and now type AB and click outside, and here it is. So with this way you can easily type a left right arrow above text in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.